What's good with it, folks? It's your Kinfo Dookie. Welcome back to Bang, budget and new gear reviews to help you get the best bang for your tech dollars. Now, this is the second video in a series of videos that I said I was doing dedicated to some Anker Soundcore products. Disclaimer, they did not pay me for any of this. There's no promo. There's nothing going on. I requested a pair of earbuds, the Soundcore Liberty Pro 2s, because I wanted to test them out, see what the hype was. They sent these along. I figured, why not talk to you guys and let you know what's been good. If you enjoy this type of content, let me know down below. Leave a comment, hit that like button, hit that bell notification so you can be notified about future videos, because I got a lot of stuff on my channel. I do headphones, PC builder stuff. I'll drop a random Linux tutorial, all types of stuff. So make sure that you stay tuned. But I'm here to talk about the budget offering from Soundcore. These are the Life P2s. Being that the Life P2 is a more budget offering, the unboxing experience is scaled back a bit from the Liberty 2 Pros, but still comes with all that you'll need. These boast 40 hours of playtime and a 10-minute quick charge, but check the link in the comments for more specs. This time you'll get a solid case with a matte black exterior, the same paperwork that you'll ignore, 4 extra sets of ear tips, and a USB-C cable. Overall, I'm not mad at it one bit. Now, the reason I wanted to do a dedicated video on these, because these are more aligned of what I would talk about on this channel as far as the budget offering from Soundcore. Now, let's go ahead and pop these in. I already got them paired up to my phone. I've been using these off and on with all 4 of these earbuds for the last couple of weeks. Battery is still high. Let's go ahead and play some music and see what's good. Once again, I have my social distancing playlist. I'll put links down below I have this on Amazon Music because of their HD and Ultra HD sound quality. But if you want, I'll make a Spotify version as well and put it down below. Let's just go ahead and listen to some music. And you let it go. These walls wanna cry tears. These walls happier when I'm here. These walls never could hold up. And every time I come around, demolition my hey. All right, so I did the review of the Anker Liberty 2 Pros. Make sure you check the link out for those. Now, these are said on the totally different opposite scale of the price bracket at $60 or $59 at the time of me doing this video. Overall, the sound is good. It's just a nice, solid quality. Nothing really, blows me away about the sound quality of these. The bass could be a lot better. I pulled up Damn by Youngbloods. If anybody have ever heard that song, it's got a lot of bass. It's a Little John beat, so it's one of those that you gotta think, man, if you're in the club, you're going crazy. And this just didn't really bring it. It didn't really bring that bass that you need. Now, it doesn't sound bad by any means. What I hear on this is some clarity that is usually missing on budget headphones. The clarity, especially in that mid-range, is there. If you're listening to something that's more chilled out and relaxed, you're gonna have a much better listening experience. I feel like this review is making me sound like a bass head. I'm not. I'm not someone who needs a rattling thump when I'm listening to my music, even hip hop, even a song like Damn. I'd rather hear a clean representation of the bass more than just the overpowered pumping and kicking that you can tell is exaggerated. They have a bass signature. It's there. It's just not enough to really make it feel more a part of the song, especially on songs that the bass needs to be there. Overall, with the mids, there's a really nice even level playing field right there. So this is pretty interesting because, right out of the box, just listening to these, I do think the quality is pretty good. I've tried some of the budget AirPod knockoff type of earbuds, and some of them just feel like they were made out of the cheapest plastic. These actually feel really good. They have a button on here for your controls. I actually like the button. The button feels really good. I prefer a button click to the touch control sometimes because I know I'm doing something. I can click that and get response. So I'm more of a fan of buttons on controls, and you don't have to press it so hard you feel like you're jamming your earbuds into your ear. For $59, I think there could be some better sounding budget earbuds. There are some that I tried that I think do have better sound. I think these have a better quality at this price point than anything that I've tried. They have a really nice quality. 40 hours plus the quick charge. I mean, really, that's pretty good. Oh, here's a quick test. Here's a quick microphone test. Microphone check, microphone check. This is a test of the Soundcore Life P2. Microphone check, microphone check. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Ooh, I flipped it on with the microphone chisek. If you would like to see me put these head to head with other headphones in that $50 budget range, let me know down below in the comments and we'll see how they really stack up. All right, I'm gonna get up out of here. It's your kinfolk Dookie. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and never forget to holler at your boy.